Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It is us, Scott and Amy. Today we're playing a game, aren't we?
We are, yes.
Guess the noise. We're going to be blindfolded with my wonderful eye mask that I wear to bed every night.
So, yeah, it's going to be, each person's going to have 10 items to guess. That's the blindfold. If you want to play at home, get yourself a blindfold ready. And we'll let you know when to put that blindfold on.
Yeah.
So, yeah, like I said, each one of us is going to get 10 items. And you've got to try and guess. You're only allowed one guess.
One guess. Ooh. So who's going first?
I don't know. Rock, paper, scissors.
Your breath, man. Cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion, ready?
Four.
Rock,
1, 2,
paper,
3,
scissors, shoot.
4.
Oh. So, would you like to be blindfolded first, or would you like to
I want
blindfold me?
you to be blindfolded first.
Okay,
So
Viewers, if you've got a blindfold at home, put it on now. And yeah, we will be back in a minute once
I'm stuck.
So, I'm going to put the blindfold on.
because I can't do it. Can you see?
No. Ladies and gents, if you've got a blindfold at home, put it on. And we will be back in a second.
You definitely can't see.
No, we'll be back in a second with the noises. Do you want to pause it then?
You definitely can't see.
I definitely can't say no. Otherwise I would have moved about 20 times. What are you doing? Right.
Okay, I'm gonna go find my stuff. Okay. So stop touching.
Sorry.
Cheating.
I can't see.
Cheater. Right. Ew. Oh. Skank. Are you ready to play? Put your blindfolds on now. Are you ready for number 1, Scott?
Yes, I am. That's a clicking of a pen.
Bingo!
Oh yeah, 1-0. Got 1 point.
Okay, number 2.
What?
I don't think the camera will be able to pick this up. No. Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
I don't clue.
Take a guess. Move your head around.
Feels weird. You blowing down a tube or something?
Nope.
Oh.
Nope.
What was it?
I'll tell you afterwards. Okay. Are you ready for the next one?
Is it?
Hang on.
Are you rubbing and tapping on a lay?
Yes! Well done. Number 3. Are you ready?
Is this number 3?
This is number 3.
This is number 4.
This is number 4. Number 4.
Is that the whisk?
Ah, yeah. Well done. Okay. Ready for the next one?
That's a bottle of some sort.
Nope.
No.
Sorry to tell you. That's number 5, right?
Yeah.
Number 6.
Okay, so you're rubbing some sort of a material. The only thing that I can think of that you might have grabbed is an apron. What?
Well done. That was number 6, right?
Yeah.
Number 7. You ready?
Yeah.
Tingles with ASMR with Scott and Amy.
Shut up. That's like a bit of rubbish, isn't it? That sounds like a plastic crisp packet.
Nope.
Oh.
Next item.
Is that your asthma pump?
Yeah! Right, what number are we on now? 8.
No, 9, because that
9.
was 8.
9. Number 9.
Oh, that's a peg.
Damn it, you're so good at this. Okay, number 10.
Opening a bottle.
Yeah. So you got 7.
Can I remove my blindfold?
You can remove your blindfold.
Right, 7. So what ones did I miss?
You didn't get this.
Right, yeah, okay.
You didn't get that one. And you didn't get this one.
Oh, the tissue one.
Tissue paper.
Oh, there was some other ones on this as well, wasn't it?
Don't know. This one?
Oh, yeah. Didn't get that one.
I think that's it.
Oh,
Right, are we ready to switch roles?
oh yeah, because I missed 3.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to put the blindfold on Amy now.
Excuse me while I swap places. Come on. Get out. Get out.
All change.
My turn.
So those of you that have just blindfolded yourself, you can unblindfold yourself now. Can you see? Right, I'm going to get my items now. Back in a minute. Okay,
My sunshine away.
so I'm back. I've got my 10 items.
You are my sunshine.
Shh, you need to listen now.
My only
Can you see?
sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey.
Right,
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away.
right, very good. Right, okay, so sound number 1, blindfold yourself now. People, if you're playing at home, are we ready for sound numero 1? Ready?
Is that the incense burner?
Yes, it was.
Hey!
Are we ready? So you've got
Yeah.
1 so far.
Yeah.
Sound number 2.
Have you done it already?
Yeah.
Oh. Mm. Oh, is that a peg?
Nope.
No. Ooh.
Sound number 3.
Is that a crisp packet?
Nope.
Or is that my Rice Krispies?
Your first answer was crisp packet. I'd like to take it.
Okay.
Sound 4.
That's you blowing in my ear. For a straw.
Ooh, well done. That's 2, sorry. Sound number 5.
That's an empty tin.
What am I doing to the empty tin?
Tapping it.
Yeah. You got 3. You got beat 7. Sound number 6.
Is that a hairbrush?
No. Sound number 7.
That's a lighter.
Correct. You got 4. Okay, sound number 8.
Have you done it yet? That controller?
Yes.
The little one?
Yep. You got 5. You need to get these 2 to tie with me. Are we ready?
You clicking your fingers?
No. And sound number 10.
Scott, you don't do it long enough in my ear like how I did it for you. Hairbrush?
No. Take your blindfold off.
Oh, it's so bright. Oh, the elastic band!
So the ones you didn't get was me flicking
Oh,
the
I
spoon.
thought you were going like that in my ear.
Me with the elastic band.
Oh, man.
You said-
No, I said it second. What did I say that was? Hairbrush.
Yeah. And then...
Oh, man.
So, I won the object sound round. Now, we are going to move on to... Guess the animal. So, we'll be back in a second once I have set up the animal sound round in a bit. So, I won round 1. We're now moving on to round 2. It's not going to be animal sound, as I said in the previous video. We've just found the one that's guess a sound on YouTube, which is guess 20 sounds. So, we're going to rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first for whoever gets the first round or the second round.
I'll finish them after. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Right, I am going to let you go first this time. So you have got the round 1. And hopefully...
Volume maximum.
These are really nice, by the way. The Pepsi ones are gross.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys should be able to hear it.
Ah, me bum hole. No, not me bum hole. I meant to say me bum bum.
I'm trying to put it on you, now stop it.
Ah!
Is that alright? I think
That's perfect.
Can you see?
Ow, no, I can't. I can feel you pulling my hair though. Okay,
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Right, so this is 20 songs. We're not sure how it's going to
Songs?
work. Not 20 sounds, 20 sounds. So
What?
guess the sounds. So there's 20 sounds coming your way. Right?
Okay.
Look at me a minute.
Ew. Ew. What the
Right.
hell was that?
Right.
Did you lick me?
Yes.
You gross.
Right, ready. Here we go. Right, here we go. Guess the sound. This is sound number 1.
That's a bowling ball.
Is that a bowling ball?
Yeah, bowling alley.
Bowling alley. I think you could be right. What did you hear? Yes, it was a bowling strike. Well done.
That's the toilet being flushed.
That was sound 2. Let's have a look. Yes, toilet flushing.
Can you turn it down a bit though? It's hurting my ears. That's it, thank
I
you.
need to make sure the viewers can hear. Sound number 3.
That's an owl.
That's an owl.
Or some sort of bird.
Yeah, an owl hooting. You're on 3.
That's a pen. Clicky pen.
It's a clicky pen. Let's have a look. What did you hear? A pen clicking. Right, these next ones, can you wait until I say what did you hear?
Okay. Sorry.
What did you hear?
Glass smashing. Or something, plate.
Oh, I'm going to take your first answer, which was glass, and you were wrong.
What was it, a plate?
It was a plate. This is sound number 6. What did you hear?
Hoover.
You hear the Hoover. Yes. You're on 5. What did you hear?
Chicken.
Oh, it said a hen.
Does that not count?
I'm going to say no, but we're going to let the viewers decide in the comment if Amy should have got sound number 7 with chicken, even though the video said a hen. So, you're still on 5. But it could be more, depending on what the viewers say. This is number 8. What did you hear?
Tap running.
Yes. You're on 6. This is sound number 9. What did you hear?
A clock.
A clock. Let's have a look. See if you're right. Yes. 7. This is sound number 10. What did you hear?
An animal that makes that sort of noise. A duck.
Let's have a look. Yes. You're on 8.
Are you farting?
Yeah, I did just fart. What
That's
did
cutting
you hear?
paper with scissors.
Cutting paper with scissors. Yes. You're on 9. This is sound number 12. What did you hear?
That's an airplane.
Yes.
Can I just ask one thing before you start the next one?
Yes.
While the sound is playing, can you please not say, this is sound number 8? Because when you do that, I can't hear it.
Okay. So the next sound coming up will be sound number 13 and you're on 10
Okay.
so far. What did you hear?
That monkey.
A monkey. That's your guess, is it? No, it was a pigeon.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you are now still on your 10 for 13. Next sound coming up is sound 14. What did you hear?
There's a purring cat.
Yes, 11 so
That's because
far.
it's my favourite noise.
Right, sound number 15 coming up. What did you hear?
An engine. Some sort of engine.
For what?
I don't know, lawnmower?
You pulled it out of the bag, it was a
Did it?
lawnmower, yeah.
Hey!
You're in 12. What did you hear?
That swing.
A swing. Let's have a look. No, trees in the wind.
Wow, a tree sounds like that?
Yeah, so you're still on 11. This is sound number 17. What did you hear?
A mixer. Like a smoothie maker thingy.
Let's have a look. No, it was an electric screwdriver.
Ah.
You're still on 11.
Oh.
What did you hear?
A bird.
Yes, I'll give you that. You're on 12. What did you hear?
A sheep.
Yes. You're on 13. Now on to the last sound. What did you hear?
It's you! No, I'm joking. Someone's sneezing. Someone blowing their nose, sorry.
Yes. You got 14
Can I
right.
take it off now?
You can take that off. So, Amy got 14 on that round. Comment down below how you did in that round. And we are now going to switch places. We'll see you in a second.
And we're back. And we're back again. Guess who's back? Tell a friend. Amy's back. Can you
get on with it, please?
Down now. Down now. Right, okay. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just... Sorry. Sound number 1, Scott.
That's a cow, it's me.
It's a cow, okay. No.
Was it not?
No.
What was it? What was it?
Are you sure you want to know?
Yeah.
It was a camel. Language, Scott!
Oh, sorry.
We are a family-friendly YouTube channel.
I'll bleep that out.
Right, you ready?
Right. So far I'm 0 for 1. And I've got 11 to beat. Was it 11 or 13?
Bang!
I've got 13 to beat.
Yeah. Ready?
Yes.
What did you hear, Scott?
That was a bicycle bell.
Bicycle bell. Well done.
I got 1 for 2.
What did you hear?
That was a purring cat.
Why is it this pausing?
I don't know, but it's a purring cat.
It is a quite purring cat, yes.
That's like a school bell. Or fire.
So what are you saying?
It's a bell.
A bell. Are you saying
It's
a bell?
school bell.
A school bell.
Or fire bell.
Which one are you choosing? You said school bell first,
Yeah,
so
I
here we
did.
are. It's a fire alarm! Stop swearing!
Sorry.
Right, number 5. What was it?
Was that a dog sniffing?
Don't know, why are you asking me? Is that your answer, dog sniffing?
Yeah.
No, scribbling.
Oh. That was someone jumping into
I've
a.
not asked you yet. What did you hear?
That was someone jumping into a pool, or in my case,
So what are you saying it is?
it's someone jumping into a pool.
But what are you saying is the sound?
A splash of someone jumping
A
in the pool.
splash.
Yeah.
Okay, darling. Someone jumping into a pool. And a bird, apparently.
It sounds like a poo when it hits a pan.
Maybe yours. What did you hear, Scott? The viewers are missing you. So.
Someone's splitting logs.
Splitting logs. The answer is chopping wood.
Yeah, cool.
Well done.
I think I'm on 4 now, aren't I? 4 or 5. That's a fire.
A fire. Excuse me. Frying an egg.
Oh.
That was frying an egg.
I think I'm on 5. Am I on 5?
Don't know, I'm not counting.
You're meant to be counting.
What did you
Helicopter.
hear? A helicopter.
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look, shall we? It's a helicopter, well done.
I'm on 6. Pause it a minute. What number am I on?
We can count it once we watch it back, it's fine.
Yeah, but what sound?
Number 10. What did you hear?
That's a zip.
A zip. You don't need to shout.
It's a zip on the, it's a zip.
A zip.
And it's probably on a
Just
suitcase.
a zip.
It's probably a zip on a suitcase.
Are you just saying a zip?
It's a zip on a suitcase.
I don't think it needs to be that
But
specific.
yeah, I'm just saying a zip.
Ooh, you bugger. It's a zip.
Okay, hey, I've lost count of the scores, so we'll put the final score at the end of this round.
What did you hear?
Washing machine!
Washing machines live longer with cow gall. Ew. You're gross. The washing machine, well done. Stay over there, please. Okay, number 12. What did you hear?
I've got 2 for this one.
I'm gonna need your first answer. First answer only, please, darling.
I'm going to go with cutting hair.
Cutting hair.
That's my first answer, which you're going to take. But the second one that I thought it was cutting lettuce.
Okay, you ready?
So cutting hair is my first answer.
Right, stay still. Sharpening a pencil.
Oh, I'm completely wrong there, wasn't I? Both of them.
Number 13. What did you hear?
That was filling up a glass with water. You, I'm a tramp.
You got me enough times. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Filling up something with water. a glass.
Okay, can you move away from me, please? No, a fizzy drink.
Oh, come on!
No, it literally says a fizzy drink.
Comment down below if I should have got that, because it's still technically filling up something. with-
Right, number
with
14.
liquid.
You said water, though.
Oh, shut up.
You said water. Right, ready? What did you hear? This is one of my favourite ASMR videos.
A keyboard!
You're not in the computer, by the way.
Where is
No,
it?
it's not over there.
Where is it? Where
No,
did
no,
you put it?
it's not there. Further over. Over. Further.
You're one about. There's a tripod. It was a keyboard.
Put it down.
A keyboard.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Typing.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Still on the keyboard though.
Right, number 15.
Sweaty Betty.
What is it?
That is Mr. Steven Seagal. So it's a seagull. Unlike Amy, who the other day when we were in somewhere, she turned around and went, "Oh look, it's Simon." And I went, "Simon?"
Actually, I
And
said Jason.
Or Jason. And I went, "Huh?" She went, "Jason the seagull." I went, "No, that's Steven Seagal." But anyway, my answer is a seagull.
Okay.
And they poop everywhere.
It's a seagull.
Thank you very much. Lovely.
What did you hear?
Table tennis!
Yes, I didn't even get a chance to pause it.
I'm a table
Ow,
tennis ball.
17.
It's a thunderstorm, that is.
The thunderstorm. A thunderstorm, yes. Get away from me. You don't brush your teeth. Number 18. What did you hear?
Fireworks.
Baby, you're a firework.
How many have I got left?
Couple. Fireworks, yeah. Bink. Number 19.
Choose great ahead.
What did you hear?
Someone eating. Eating.
The sound I hate the most.
They were eating.
Literally, when I hear this noise, the rage comes from inside my belly.
Someone was eating.
And I literally go, shut up! Stop it, Scott!
Enough of her. It's all about.
Scott!
It's all about
Scott!
you.
Oh.
It's all
Right.
about you, baby.
Someone eating, yes. Right, number 20. Last one.
I could be really rude here.
Don't be rude. What did you hear? What did you hear?
I've got two guesses. The first guess, which is the one you're going to take, is a mobile phone vibrating. The second one, ladies and
Ladies.
and gentlemen, you probably might have thought that was something else in the adult toy category, but I won't say it.
Right. The answer is a mobile phone.
Can I take this off now?
Yeah. So who's the winner, Scott? I think it's you.
I don't know. It might have been. We'll have to.
How many did you get? I don't know.
I'll
We'll have to tally it
we'll have
up.
to turn it up and then have a look.
Okay, we're going to watch it, tally it up,
And then
put
we'll
the
put the
answers
score.
here. You need to tell us what your scores were down in the comment section below.
And we're gonna put the score. We're gonna put the scores at the end of this video. And without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification.
Bye-bye.
And without further ado, it's
Adios, amigos.
an au revoir, darlings. Ha ha. Bye.